Mix beets with bananas and what will happen in your body will surprise you. So you're going to want to share this recipe today. So watch this video until the end, because I'm going to show you the right way to prepare it, and why you're going to love it. Welcome to our page. Beets are used with multiple benefits to improve health, so today I'm going to tell you how to use this vegetable, which together with banana, will form a very powerful combination in favor of our health. But before you start making this super recipe, give me a minute of your time to tell you what this mixture will do for you. Beet, besides being a great source of vitamin C, increases the absorption of iron, and is one of the foods with the most iron. Contains a lot of folic acid. This makes beets the perfect ally in cases of anemia. What does beets do to your body? It is very digestive. Besides having prebiotic effects, it helps improve the intestinal flora, and is a very digestive food, even in cases of diseases, such as irritable bowel, colitis, or Crohn's disease. Ripe bananas are a source of potassium, and besides, the oligosaccharides contribute to increase the absorption of calcium, which helps strengthen the bones. There are many benefits of banana in the prevention of cardiovascular diseases, diabetes. The fiber reduces cholesterol levels and improves insulin sensitivity. In short, the combination of beets and bananas is perfect for reducing blood pressure, improving physical performance, fighting inflammation, cancer, cramps, improving sexual performance, detoxifying the body, and much more. In addition, it prevents muscle cramps after exercise. So share this information with someone else, as it can be very helpful for them to know these valuable tips. Knowing the benefits that you will have with this powerful smoothie, let's go with the recipe. Ingredients: 1 beet, 1 banana, 1 lime, and a glass of water. Method of preparation: cut the beet into small pieces, and we will do the same with the banana. Squeeze the juice of the lime, and then put all the ingredients in the blender along with the water. You can drink it twice a day to reap even more health benefits. You can take it as long as you want. If you want, you can sweeten with honey. I promise that these benefits will leave you as good as new. The advice we give you here are supplements to improve your health, keeping in mind your family doctor's priority to always check your health. So let us know what you thought of this homemade trick, and if you would dare to do it. And if you made it this far, write the word beet, to know that you are enjoying my videos, and share with your friends and family. That's all for today. See you in the next video. God bless you.